You know, ever since the Rona came along, sure, we can't cough no more. And I'm guilty of this too, because we did it the other day. We was standing, you know, in the doorway, and the guests walked by and just started coughing everywhere. And before I knew it, all of us employees had ran to the kitchen. And then we realized what we did and got tickled. And I said, Rona done ruined us. He was probably just coughing. He probably just smoked a lot of cigarettes or something. And cause y'all know I smoke. And anyway, I cough a lot. And anytime I do it, they always swear I'm sick, and I'm not. We got to do better. Everything ain't the wrong, okay?